Yo, good day, everyone. Today we're gonna spread the AP65 to the road. You see, my colleague is spreading using the truck, and I'm here at the moment, the loader. So once we're done right there, we're gonna move to the highway. We're gonna dig a little bit the soft spot, and yeah, after that, hopefully it will pass in the testing. See that my colleague right there is spreading AP65. So the design of this road is AB65 150 millimeter and 100 for AB40. That's the AB40. Yep, that's our activity today. Damn.